So the composable CDP revolution, right? They've obviously had a role in helping marketers tap in to that more universal data layer that you were talking about. But now starting to feel like CDPs are moving beyond data management to play a more active role in that like cross-stack decisioning and optimization. How do you see that?
Yeah, I think a lot of change has happened, but then not much change at all has happened. And what I mean by that is you had the formation of SaaS and you had the formation of these standalone systems of record. And this was true across finance in the form of NetSuite. It was true across HR in the form of Workday, ExactTarget, and Salesforce. Like there have been these standalone monolithic things that served a purpose at one time. But as you've seen more channels, more cross-channel orchestration requirements, and to talk to different customer segments in different ways, meeting them where they are, there's a need to actually bring these things together, not just optimize within a particular silo. So there was a very specific need for a system of record that was called a customer data platform. That was very important at a point in time. That seems to be fading in favor of composability and the gravity of the data clouds and the ability to do stuff. Really is what's most exciting to me. So it's not just that the data lives there. There are cost advantages, there are security advantages, and there's agility advantages to keeping it in fewer places, right? And that's why we're seeing the beginning and continued boom of the data cloud. But now we have the ability to use either machine learning or artificial intelligence at every step of the way. So I talked about it before, the ingestion, that these agents that will be really good at basically ingesting data and thinking of data schema and those sorts of things. We're already experimenting with that with success in our product. So that's one area where you're just going to get the data in the right place with fewer manual requirements. There'll be humans in the loop there, but that's one part of it. And then you're going to start to say, okay, great, how can we orchestrate in intelligent ways? How can we extract the right information, get suggestions for what you'd want to do with things, and then act upon them? So populating different canvases or surface areas is sometimes what we call it, and then figure out what the right permutations of those are the best, determinant upon the outcome that you care most about. Maybe you're trying to save a customer, you're trying to prevent churn. Maybe you're trying to acquire a whole new segment that might not be as present in your thing, or maybe you're having a slowdown in one category. I see a world where there's outcome orientation first, and then AI and agents in service of that objective in partnership with humans who bring a certain level of ingenuity and creativity.